So let's just see how we can count the nodes in the circular singly linked list. Now to count the nodes, here is the algorithm. So first of all, we have to check if the head is null or not. The head is pointing to null, that means the list is empty. So in that case, we're gonna return 0. Otherwise, if we have multiple nodes in the list, in that case we have to traverse the list. So we need to use one temporary pointer which will initially point to the head. Then we're gonna use the while loop. We're gonna move this temporary pointer until the end of the list. And in each iteration, we're gonna increment the count value. When the loop ends, the count will contain the number of nodes in our circular linked list. So here we have one circular singly linked list with 3 nodes. Now here we can write the function to count the number of nodes. So let's just create the function. We're gonna call this count nodes. Now the function will take the head pointer. Now inside the function, first of all, we have to check if the head is null or not. So if the head is pointing to null, that means the list is empty. So in that case, we can simply print list is empty. So otherwise, if we have multiple nodes in the list, so in that case, we're gonna use the temporary pointer which will initially point to the head. So we're gonna create the temporary pointer which will initially point to the head. And also we need one counter, so the counter value will be initially 1. And now we have to traverse to the last node. So we're gonna use the while loop. So the condition will be, so the loop will continue as long as the temp next is not equal head. So here the loop will continue as long as the temp next is not equal head. Now in each iteration, we're gonna increase the counter value by 1, and also we're gonna shift the temporary pointer to the next node. So after the end of this loop, our temporary pointer will point to the last node. Now this counter will contain the number of nodes in our list. So here we can print nodes count, and we can print the counter value. So currently we have 3 nodes in the list. So now we can call the function count node. So the nodes count is 3. So let's just remove one node. So let's now remove this last node. Also we need to change the link. So the second next should point to the head. So now you can see we have 2 nodes and the nodes count is also 2. So that means our function is working properly. So this way we can follow this algorithm and we can find the count of nodes in the circular singly linked list. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.